Hey everyone! Welcome back to GardenWrld. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more houseplant tips and tricks. Today, we're diving into 10 essential tips for growing healthy houseplants. Let's get started. Tip number 1 is all about watering. Overwatering is one of the most common mistakes. Make sure to let the top inch of soil dry out before watering again. Use a moisture meter if you're unsure. Next up, lighting. Different plants have different light requirements. Place your plants near windows with indirect sunlight and rotate them regularly to ensure even growth. Tip 3 is about soil. Use well-draining soil mixes and repot your plants every 2 years to prevent root bound. Remember to choose pots with drainage holes. Houseplants love humidity. Group your plants together or use a humidity tray to increase the moisture in the air. A humidifier can also be a great investment. Tip 5, fertilization. Feed your plants with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every month during the growing season. Be cautious not to over-fertilize, as this can damage the roots. Pests can be a problem for houseplants. Inspect your plants regularly and treat any infestations immediately with natural insecticides or soapy water. Keep your plants healthy by pruning dead leaves and stems. Cleaning the leaves with a damp cloth also helps them to photosynthesize more efficiently. Most houseplants thrive in temperatures between 65–75 degree F, 18–24 degree C. Avoid placing them near drafts, radiators, or air conditioners. Choose plants that fit your lifestyle. If you're a busy person, opt for low-maintenance plants like succulents or snake plants. Lastly, be patient and observe your plants. Each plant is unique and may have specific needs. Pay attention to how they respond to your care and adjust accordingly. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more plant care tips. Happy gardening!